Damage after a storm can lead to an unexpected repair and insurance claim, but homeowners should also be aware of fraudulent contractors.
The biggest challenge facing a homeowner who is looking to repair their home from an insurance claim after an event is really selecting the right contractor. After a major event, contractors are in high demand and the best contractors are in the most demand.
Which leaves the following question for homeowners to ask after a storm.
How do I find the right contractor for insurance repair?
Rather than just going online and selecting the first contractor listed, you can make a good decision by following these important tips.
You always want to avoid unknown, out-of-town contractors, typically referred to as door knockers. You want to avoid pie-in-the-sky offers that are too good to be true. And it's always important that you look for a trusted source so that you can find a contractor who will complete your work in a quality manner with timely service and to a high satisfaction.
Before selecting a contractor, you should always check credentials.
First, you want to check for proper insurance. You want to get proof of that insurance. You want to make sure that they have protection should they damage your property or should them or one of their workers be injured while they're on your property. Second, you want to verify their license. You want to make sure they're properly licensed and that the local authorities have that license on record. And you also want to verify their experience. You want to know that the contractor that's doing work at your home is going to provide quality work in a timely manner.
And always check terms for payment and warranty before work is started.
First, you want to make sure that you're provided a warranty, a workmanship warranty by your contractor. Secondly, you want to make sure that all the subcontractors have been paid, that you get lien releases before you release that final payment. Using a service like ContractorConnection.com can help alleviate a lot of those hassles because we're going to provide you with a vetted, insured, licensed contractor that can come in and do that work in a quality manner.
For more information, visit ContractorConnection.com or go to designingspaces.tv.